Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and install the PC version of Crystal of Atlan. First, open your web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type Crystal of Atlan and press Enter. This will take you to the official website for Crystal of Atlan. Once the website has loaded, look for the button that says Download for PC. It is usually on the main page and easy to see. Click on that button. This will begin downloading the game's installer file. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. When the file has finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Find the file you just downloaded. It will be called something like crystalofatlan_pc_installer.x. Double-click on that file to start the installation process. You may see a message asking if you want to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The installer will open. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the folder where you want to install the game or just use the default location. Then, click the Install button. The installation process will begin. This may take several minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Once the game is installed, you will see an option to launch it. Click Finish or Launch Game. That's it. You have now successfully downloaded and installed Crystal of Atlan for PC.